I know you know at least one Haitian family who has been taking their vacations in the Dominican Republic for the past few years. Is there anything wrong with that? Why not Haiti? Also, some guy promised to tarnish my reputation because Ed Shakespeare is fiercely working to help reconstruct our Haitian image. Don't laugh, but I'm really scared. I won't tell you his name because though I know he is searching for attention, he certainly won't get it from me. But let's talk about the damage that is being done to our image as a people. And one more thing, what is the Sovereign Haiti Initiative? We'll give them a chance to explain, but I can tell you one thing. They don't seem to be a group of slacktivists. My people, join me and let's talk about our Haiti this Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. on telelakaitv.com.